Today, we're exploring an exciting new luxury community in Porter Ranch called Bella Vista. Now, if you haven't considered buying new construction like this before, we'll go over why buying new is such a smart move. But we'll also go over why the builder might not always have the buyer's best interests in mind. With so many potential upgrades, it's easy to overspend on your new home and end up in the red by the time you're done. I'll go over what upgrades add immediate value and which ones don't, plus some time and money saving tips that I'm sure the builder doesn't want you to know about. And I'll do it by taking you on a real tour of a model home, the Silverado at the Ridge Collection in Bella Vista. The Silverado offers 4 to 5 bedrooms, 4.5 to 5.5 bathrooms, a 3-car garage, a single-story floor plan, and ranges from 4,107 square feet to 4,345. If you like this video and want to see more like it, please like the video and hit the subscribe button, and I'll be releasing new videos very soon. And with that, let's get started. Any wiring upgrades I would get, the distributed audio or smart house wiring that the builder offers, I would get these because it is very expensive to go back and cut into your drywall to get these once the house is built. It looks like this one has upgraded square footage, slightly bigger. They have a guest living room as well as a guest bedroom. That living room could be used for a lot of different functions, so I would get that. Maybe forego the paneling on the wall, that's going to be extra. The custom paint, it's going to be extra, but definitely get the additional square footage. In the second bedroom, they have custom cabinets, custom lighting fixtures, custom paint. All of that stuff I would save for your own contractor. The powder room, it's kind of a wash. It's a small room, but you could get this upgraded with wallpaper. You're probably better off just doing it with your own contractor, but you could get the upgraded fixtures. Looks like they offer brushed brass as an upgrade. Anything structural like this slider here for office privacy and soundproofing, it's definite. Yes, get it. The kitchen is one of the most important rooms to upgrade. I would get this as upgraded as possible. I would get the extended island. I would get the extended height on the cabinets. It offers a richer look. The kitchen really sells the house, so you got to think like a buyer. Also, the upgraded appliances, definitely a must. Here, if this is an upgrade, I would go with the upgraded pantry with the desk. Absolute must to spend money on the kitchen. It's one of the 2 most important rooms to spend on upgrades. If your builder offers extended windows versus the standard extended sliders, I would get them. Also the upgraded fireplace. Anything that's structural like that, I would go ahead and get those upgrades at the time of purchase if you can, primarily because changing the structure of a house to support the additional weight or changing the structure of the fireplace is often expensive to do after. The primary suite is the second most important room to get upgrades. This one has a coffered ceiling. It has wainscoting. I would get most of the upgrades here. You could possibly pass on the chandelier if they offer that as an option, simply because there's often a huge markup on these custom fixtures. I would spend money in the primary bathroom, the separate soak tub, the dual vanities, the rain shower, absolutely. The custom closet, I would spend money here if I had it. If you don't and you want to save that for a later date, I don't think there's any drawback to that. You can have like a California closet or custom closet company come in and do your own closet. Okay, the outdoor upgrades, clearly an overspend. What I would do instead, if you know approximately where you would eventually like to have these upgrades done, I would have the builder stub out the gas, the electric, and the water for the pool and for the outdoor kitchen and for the outdoor dining area. I would simply have them stubbed out so that the additional conduit can be ran for these types of upgrades, but I would not get them done by the builder unless you just don't mind just going ahead and overspending. Now, if you would like a more detailed list of the builder upgrades and more importantly, their expected ROI, I'd be happy to send this list to you for free. Just simply click the link in the description and follow the simple instructions, and I will send that to you by email. It's a quick PDF, has all of the available upgrades and the expected ROI percentages. Once again, if you like this video and want to see more, please like the video and hit the subscribe button. I'm going to be rolling out new videos real soon. Thank you for watching.